Okay, I'm gonna show y'all how I do my hair when I get ready to go somewhere. As you can see now, my hair has already been like 1.5% if you left school for curly break. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to get in the shower and I'm gonna wash my hair and I'm gonna show y'all what I use to get my hair just ready. So I'll be right back. Alright, I'm at the shower.
I'm still waiting on these niggas at the finish line. We just took our first trip to the Amalfi Coast. Couple days on the beach, then it's adios. Just look at what I've done alone. You would swear we planted trees the way the money's grown. We've been busy like some bees, no honeycomb. You can probably feel the breeze when the money's blown. Pardon my towel and flip-flop phase. I never be the reason that a bitch got paid. Even when I'm not functioning in tip-top shape, I can bitch as much as hip-hop weighs.
Put the stuff in my head and I'm brushing.
I'm trying to bring it home, even if I gotta do it on my own. I'm a motherfucking killer. And I'm the one to blame. Now that I'm around, shit'll never be the same. Yeah. Look. Before rap, my last name was my lifestyle. And when I visualize success, it look like right now. What was once gray skies is now white clouds. And I did it with the ones y'all said was not the right crowd. Follow my steps, and you see what I'm about. I keep my money coming in and never going out. Chuck Taylor's on the pavement with the blammers out. Then I hit the league straight out the streets with no talent scout. And now my face bring the cameras out. That young nigga these industry bitches yap about. You know the cops bunk you up and ask about. All because I took my wildest dreams and then mapped them out. I go for mine like it's overtime. Me and my niggas had to struggle, so we overshine. Being fuck bitches, I've been on my grind. Cause on a mission, your worst enemy is idle time. I'm trying to bring it home, even if I gotta do it on my own. I'm a motherfucking killer.
Alright, what you gonna do? You gonna tie your head?
And I'm the one to blame. Now that I'm around, shit'll never be the same. I'm a killer.
You don't want your do-rag too tight or too soft. Cause you have it too tight, you're gonna get a line across your forehead. And you have it too soft, your hair ain't gonna be wavy like mine's. You want to do a hair like me and pull the back down some, pull the front down. And there you go. I'll be back in 30 minutes. Take this off and show y'all. Alright, so it's been like an hour to have this on, so I'm gonna take this off. But before I take it off, I'm gonna say that I recommend y'all getting like a life jacket or like a floaty or something. Y'all about to see an ocean. So see that. See that? That's how you get waves. Just that easy. Hey, Kim! Never mind. Yeah, so that's basically how I do my hair when I got shower, whatever. So, yeah, look at the back. So, yeah, you do it. Oh, yeah.